What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? Today we're looking at Iconic's Postcard. They're a property management company. Let's dive in. Are your property management fees busting your budget? Great headline, right? It gets right to the heart of the issue. Property management fees, it's gigantic. Their logo isn't huge. I guess this is pretty big here, but it's understated. I don't know what the imagery is. Like maybe they could have picked a better choice of imagery here. Someone losing money. Maybe the idea is that you'd be on the beach if you don't. I don't quite understand that. But I love the headline, and I love there's not much else on this side of the postcard. So let's get to the back side. All right. No hidden fees, no extra charges. I might be a little bit clearer about this and repeat the first message. We're a property management company that, those no hidden fees or no extra charges. I think I don't really like the negative aspect here, saying, hey, your current company has hidden fees and charges, and our biggest benefit is the absence of those. I think that there's a better hook here. I like we can help manage. That makes sense to me. But I might just change the hook here. And I also think the offer should be bigger. Find out how much you can save. I like that call to action. Their phone number. This phone number should be a tracked phone number. It should be a unique phone number to the campaign. The fact that they're sending you to your website is like, okay. I ideally would send them. We have a little trick. What we do is we'll send folks to a brand new domain that's like not related to the main domain, so we can track how many conversions came from the postcard. But overall, like a pretty good postcard, and it's pretty good because there's not a lot here. I would say the biggest ding against this postcard is really they need to make the offer clear, center, big, and call to action. So the whole goal of the first part of the postcard was to drive your attention. Now you need to get folks to action. And the action here is super, super small. So really, I would remove the icon here. I would say like no hidden fees or extra charges, and then make the find out how much you can save gigantic. And I might even have why now? Why should I act now? If I've been paying property management fees, there's some good reason that I should move quickly. So generally, it's good in your postcard design to have a reason to act now. Get people off their butts because they got to take a physical item and go do a digital thing or pick up the phone, and that requires action. You want to drive that down. And like in this case, what they could have done is they would have known how much the property owner is paying or the size of property under management. They could say something like, most property fees are this high. So are you paying more than $26,000 for your property at 123 Main Street? We can help. That's what they should have done, because then they could have actually tailored the pain to the specific person, and I bet you it would have converted much better. All right. Congratulations on educating yourself on another postcard design.